Hi! In this video, we're going to talk about the pass of time in our lives. Now, let's see some time expressions we can say or we can use to talk about the past. For example, we can use yesterday, last year, last month, and last week. Let's see some examples. For example, we can say, I was at the beach last week. They were at a party last month. But remember to pay attention to the verb was or were indicate that we are talking about a past event. So you have to pay attention to the verb and the time expression. Okay? When we talk about the present, we can use today, now, or at the moment. I am having lunch with my friends today. She is listening to music now. Don't forget to pay attention to the verb I'm having or is listening indicate that this is a present event. When we talk about the future, we can use time expressions such as tomorrow, next week, next month, or next year. For instance, I will go to the beach next week. They will have an exam tomorrow. But remember to pay attention to the verb. Will indicates that this is a future event, okay? I will go to the beach next week. They will have an exam tomorrow. Will indicates this is a future event. Now, let's make a quick review about all the time expressions we have already seen today. For the past, we can use yesterday, last week, last month, and last year. The time expressions we can use to talk about present events are now, today, and at the moment. And finally, when we talk about future events, we can use tomorrow, next week, next month, and next year. Now it's time for you to practice. Remember, if you have any questions, you can watch this video all the times you need. Bye bye!